The writing process in primary grades. The writing process in primary grades contains the same components as in the upper grades. However, the focus is on using various methods for children to express themselves through writing. Students' writing may contain drawing, dictating, or writing. This presentation will present some research behind teaching the writing process in primary grades, as well as ideas and activities to use in a primary classroom when teaching writing. Key points in the writing process. The writing process is not linear. Students can move throughout the components of the writing process all throughout the writing. Components of the writing process: pre-writing, drafting, conferring, revising, editing, and publishing. Using drawing, dictating, and writing. When students use drawings, they are able to draw their ideas and stories. When students are dictating, students can draw an idea or story and then dictate to a teacher or adult in the classroom. Once students have some knowledge of letters and sounds, they can generate words and sentences to go with their own writing and drawing. Research behind the writing process. Studies found that when teaching the writing process in general education classrooms, students became better writers. However, these same studies found weaker writing students benefited less from teaching the writing process. Studies found a correlation between writing quality and teachers' professional development. Studies conducted comparing teachers' beliefs around process writing and student learning time also found that teachers' professional development strengthened teachers' efficacy beliefs. The same study found that extending the amount of learning time during the writing process was beneficial, especially incorporating communicative writing and process writing. Connections to my current classroom. When using the writing process, it is very important to create a print-rich environment. This would include word walls, anchor charts, and student work being displayed throughout the classroom. Word banks are a way of creating a list of vocabulary words that would apply to the writing topic and can be very beneficial. Author's chair. Students share their published writing pieces. Martin and Thatcher call this writing time, family time. Writing workshop consists of a mini lesson, 5 to 10 minutes, usually short and very focused, and including a lot of modeling. The writing time, students pull from their works in progress from their writing folders and continue. We always end with a share. Students share parts of their writing from the day. Including the writing process: write, revise, edit, and publish. Also, including pre-writing activities. Students can generate ideas for writing and help to organize them. Some other ideas and activities to incorporate in the primary classroom. Use of a story drawer, designating a filing cabinet in the classroom with a folder for each student to file their works in progress. Offering a variety of materials. Offering students different types of paper, pencils, pens, and computers can be very beneficial. The use of graphic organizers. This helps students to organize their ideas as well as generate details when pre-writing. The use of rubrics. Students can use rubrics to self-assess their writing, as well as assess their editing and revising, and even when they are conferring with other students. The use of mentor texts. Mentor texts are high-quality writing that we use as examples when we're teaching skills and concepts. We often refer back to them frequently when students are doing their writing. These are a few of the articles used in this presentation. Feel free to refer back to them and incorporate some of these ideas when you are teaching the writing process in a primary